welcome to this tutorial. Remember, on this channel I teach you how to make, manage and multiply your money, how to trade the cryptocurrency space with minimal risk. The major thing I concentrate on is trading strategies that will protect your capital. And today I also want to share with you a very powerful strategy that helps you make money from the crypto space without losing money. Yes, that's the goal. Now, I want to show you something. If you come on this video, this particular training is actually a follow-up video from one of my tutorial that I have made. And then one of the students called my attention to it, so I decided to make the videos. This is actually a popular demand. If you come to my channel and then you scroll down, there's a particular video I made some time ago. Yeah, this particular video here, this one here, this particular tutorial, you see it has about 15K views, and that was 4 months ago. So click on this video now. When we click on this video, if you have not watched this video, please let me pause this. I want you to watch this particular video first before you come and continue with this second tutorial. Now, this is the video. This is the title of the video. You can go and watch it, and then if you see, it has over 35 comments already here. So if I click on this comment section now, there's a lot of requests, a lot. So we can see what this person is actually saying here. Very timely for me. Your video lessons are very good. I have just traded a coin for the first time successfully. So you see, people have actually been impacted with this video. So many questions, a lot of that. But this is where I'm going. If I go through this comment here now, you can see this person also said, I'm watching this video over and over. Please, to buy, trade, are you supposed to place the buy, trade, buy limit or current market price? So there's been a lot of questions. Some I couldn't answer in the description, in the message comment section, you know. So you can also see, so there are questions people are asking. But this is the one I just many questions. But if you see this particular question here now, it says, what of the other video for shorting the market? I get people who send me, if I go through this message, about 30 something messages, so I can't read them all through, but a lot of these comments have been coming in, after this tutorial. So I decided to do the video, to do to complete this section of this video. So if you have not watched this video, please, I want you to go and check my YouTube channel, and check for this video. This is the title of the video. Watch this video first and then come back and watch this one. Then you will understand. You will understand it very well. So you see, it has about 200 likes already. And then the video was done 4 months ago. So many things, I couldn't just complete the video, but I decided to do it today. So if you are watching this video for the first time, please, I want you to subscribe and also drop a comment. And I also want to promise you that this video is also going to make a whole lot of sense to you, but I will also advise you to go watch this particular one. So now let's head over to Binance now, and let me show you the complete part of this tutorial that will blow your mind. All right, so just follow me to Binance. So now that we're on Binance, in that tutorial, I explained during the first tutorial that the strategy was a very simple strategy. You come to your Binance app. When you come to your Binance app and you want to trade, you are going to, we have the new listing here. We have the gainers, we have the losers, we have the 24 hours volume, and so on and so forth. So I said in the video that you're going to click on the gainers. You click on the gainers. When you click on the gainers, then you will now look for the ones that are trading for less than, that are still within 5%, 8%, 10%, and all of that. And then you buy the coin from the spot section, because it's expected that as the price is, the market is looking, very favorable, then you will write it up. And then I also mentioned a particular time frame that you must buy, that you must check the market for opportunities. And I also said in that tutorial that there is a strategy for trading futures using this same method. And that is what I want to explain to you today now. The shorting aspect, that is the selling. How do you now sell using this strategy, this same strategy? So this is more like the completion part of this video, the complete tutorial now to complement the first one. So what do you do now? This second strategy, after understanding the first strategy, this second strategy now, how does it work? It's very simple. You also come to this section. If you don't know how to get to that point, you see this is the home section of Binance. I don't know, your home may actually look different from mine depending from where you are watching from. So this is the home page of Binance. You just look up, you are going to see new listing. You see the gainers, you see the losers, see 24 hours volume and thereabout. So, but we are concentrating on the gainers also for today. So you click on the gainers. When you are on the gainers, you want to check the coins that are actually doing well in the market at the moment. You can see, like for this coin, it has done 21%. This one has done 11%, 9%, 8%, and thereabout. Sound, listen, I want you to pay attention. This is trading strategy. Most of this strategy I share on my channel are premium strategies. So just see this as you are attending a paid tutorial on trading crypto. You get it? Now, I have a warning. The warning is this. This strategy will not make you become a millionaire overnight. But at the same time, if you follow the strategy strictly, you will not be broke. Yes, you will not be broke, number one. Number two, you will not lose your fund trading. Yes, so now let's dive into this tutorial very quickly. Now, the coin that is doing well here at the moment is DCR. This is it, DCR. And lastly, you don't trade this strategy often. I don't trade often. I only trade when there is opportunity in the market. So what we are doing now is to look for opportunity. Yes, to see if we have opportunity to trade or not. If there is no opportunity, we keep our capital. We check again the other day. You still keep checking. If there's opportunity, we trade. So with this strategy, you may trade maybe 3 times in a week, 4 times in a week, depending on how opportunities appear. So let's go and look for this opportunity now and see if there's opportunity to trade the DCR token. All right, so I'm going to move straight to my futures wallet. So this time around, in the first tutorial, we talk about using the strategy with spot, trading on the spot wallet. But this time around, we're talking about using the strategy on the futures wallet. So we'll click on futures, that is this here. When you click on futures, it brings you down to this point. So at this point, I want to check, the first thing I want to check is to click here to check that coin that we saw that is doing 20% and above. So I click here to select to see if that coin is on, if it's trading on futures. That is the first thing. So the name of the coin is DCR. You see, so we don't have DCR trading at the moment on the futures market. So DCR is not trading on the futures market. DCR is not trading on the futures market. So let's go and check another coin. So we have this TWT, more like this. Think it is Trust Wallet coin, trading at 12% increase. This one. So let's go and check it on futures wallet to see if the coin is trading on the futures market. So we'll go back here again. So we click here again and check for TWT. Wow. TWT is not also trading on the futures market. So let's keep searching for another coin. Let me click on more. Let me click on more. Just want to see a coin to use for this example. Okay, I've seen Alpha. We should have Alpha on Trust on Spot Wallet. So this is Alpha here. So let's go to the futures market to search it out. And let me give you the blueprint. So we'll come here, search for Alpha. This is the Alpha coin. We click on it. Now we are here. So what do you do? What is the next thing you want to do? Now the next thing you want to do is to set up your Bollinger Band and your RSI. There is a video in the channel. I can't go through that now. I don't want this video to be too long, on how to set your Bollinger Band and the RSI. Those are the two strategies we are using. But you need to click here. You click here. When you click here, it brings us to this point. Now listen to this very, very carefully. This is where the magic happens. This is where the magic happens. Now you are not analyzing plenty things. The two things you want to do first, we are just going to use 3 technical analysis to know if we need to enter this market or not. What we are looking for now is opportunity to click on the sell trade. We want to sell, we want to short. This is what this strategy is all about. This strategy is not a strategy for longing, for buying, so that it will go up. No, the strategy is a strategy for selling, so that you make money when the price begins to drop. So we want to see if we have the opportunity to enter the market now. So what do you want to do? Number one, you want to set your daily time frame to 1 day. That's the first thing. Number two, you want to set up your Bollinger Band. That is the second thing you want to do. Then number three, you want to set up your RSI. These are the 3 things. Once you have these 3 things set up, you can check there is a video in I'll put it in the comment section, on how to on the description box on how to set this. There's a video in the YouTube channel that I've made, or you can just go and search randomly on YouTube how to set RSI, and then on Binance and how you set Bollinger Band. It's very, very easy, to do that. So once you get this, now we want to check something. We want to be able to sell when RSI, look at the RSI here, look at the timing. We want to sell when RSI is above 90%. 90%. That is the target. We want to sell when RSI, you're on a daily time frame and RSI is 90%, 92, 93, 95. Then you sell. Now, it is expected that by that time, probably the candle will probably be around here. So when you open your trade and you discover that RSI is 90, 95, what happened is that from that point, it is expected that it will begin to go down. The price will drop because it's already at the overbought region. So it will begin to drop. It will begin to drop. See, listen to this strategy. Now, in the crypto space, it is more guaranteed. If you are shorting a trade, it's certain, because anything that goes up in the crypto space will definitely come down. So that's why it is better you focus on getting a sell trade opportunity. And how do you get that? Is by using your RSI. Once your RSI is above 90%, you are sure of entering the market with your full chest. Then you write it down and you make good money. That is one thing you need to understand. So another thing I also do again is that I also check the 4 hours time frame. I also check the 4 hours time frame. So if you see the 4 hours time frame, now these are the two time frame I use, 4 hours or 1 day to check for my opportunities. You can see the RSI is also the same at the moment with the 1 day time frame. So almost the same. It's 52 on a daily time frame and it's about 55 on the 1 hour on the 4 hours time frame. So these are the two strategy, the two time frame I use. But the target, what I'm looking for is actually a 90% rating in RSI. When I say that the RSI is 90 or above 90, I know it's a good time for me to enter the market as a sell order because I know at that point it will begin to come down. Yes. So now for this strategy, what it means is that you will go to the gainer section, look for a coin that has been pumping, moving high, because if it's going up, maybe it has done maybe like 50%, 60% and thereabout. At times, some coins will do like maybe like 15% or 20%, but the RSI will still be above 90%. So you check the candle, and then if you see that it is um 90% and above, then you short the coin. You are going to make money. Now, listen, I will just do a summary again. What do you need to do? Steps are very simple. Once you come to Binance, you're on the home page of Binance at the moment. You come up here, then you check your gainers. You click on gainers. You want to check these coins because you don't know which coin are actually doing well. So this one is more like a guide for you. It's more like a signal, you know. Then you check the coin. You once you look at the coin, you pick them, the one that are doing well, then you go to futures market to go and search them out if they are on the future market. They may be, they may not, but you are looking for the ones that are on futures. So by the time you are able to see the coin on futures and the percentage is high, then the next thing you need to do, you can watch this video over again, you understand, is to come here and click on this section. Once you click on this section, it opens up the chart for you. Once it opens up the chart, I believe by now you've already set up your Bollinger Band and your RSI. This is the Bollinger Band line, and this is the RSI. We have already set it up. This is the indicator here. This is this one here. So we have already set it up. So once you've set it up, what you are looking for on the 4 hours time frame or on a 1 day time frame, you want this RSI, this number. See, it's reading 55 here now. You want this number that is showing 55 here now to be 90 or above 90. Then you will now enter a sell trade. If it's above 90, if this number here is 90 and above, then you will now click on sell trade here to sell. As simple as that. The opportunity you are looking for is for this figure here to be 90 or above 90, because it means that the coin has already been oversold. Then it will start coming down. You get, so you ride it up, down. So by the time it's getting to maybe this RSI is now becoming maybe like 70, 60 is coming down, you are making money already. You're already making money. As the coin is coming down, you are making money. You get the strategy. Very, very easy strategy. If you don't understand it, please watch this video again, and then you can also send question in the description below. Then lastly, let me now tell you this. Now, you also need to be watchful of the lot size you use. Now, this is the lot size here. This is the lot size here. For some of us who are new, you get, always put this on isolation. I mean isolated rather. Put this on isolated. Now, this time frame, this leverage now is what I want to quickly talk about as to end this tutorial. Now, when your RSI is above 90%, you use 5x. Don't exceed 5x for this strategy. If it's above 90, from 90 upward, you use 5x. You can even use 10x if you so desire. But if it is less than 90%, maybe 80, 85, and you want to ride the market, use 3x. Use 3x. You get it now. So I've shared a whole lot of things in this video. A whole lot. A whole lot. So I would just advise you to take your time, watch this video over again, and then um, try to implement it. Set up the parameters. You can watch it again with a pen and a paper so that you can write the most important points that I've mentioned. Number one, I've mentioned the gainer section. You look for the coin that is the highest in percentage. You take it down to the future, you bring it to you check it on the future market to see if it's in the future market. If it's in the future market, then you want to check the candle. You click here to check the candle. Then you set up the parameters, which is the Bollinger Band and the RSI. Then once you see the opportunity and the RSI is above 90, from 90 upward, you know there is an opportunity for you to sell. Then you go ahead and sell using 5x, using 5 or at most 10x at that RSI figure, you know. But if it is not up to 90% and you still want to trade, maybe around 80, 85, then you use 3x. You get the gist. So it's as simple as that. As simple as that. Now, the reason why you are using the Bollinger Band is to help you know that it has actually gotten to the overbought region. You get it should be above the upper Bollinger Band. If it's actually, if RSI is actually above 90, then the candle should be above the upper Bollinger Band. That is the reason why you are using these two strategies to confirm your order. All right, so that is that for today. I want to believe that you got value from this tutorial. So I would advise that you subscribe and then send a comment in the comment section. I mean, drop a comment in the comment section box, and I also reply you almost immediately. And if you get value from this video, please give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye for now.